Looking for a turnkey townhome close to all your local attractions and amenities? Welcome to 57 Walnut Springs Drive. This home's open floor plan and high ceilings inspire creativity. While the kitchen, complete with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, will spark your culinary imagination. On the upper level, you'll find a primary bedroom retreat with a walk-in shower and dual sinks. The additional bedrooms are versatile, ideal for guests or a home office. The lower level offers ample storage space with a garage and an adjoining flex space, perfect for a workout area or any creative use you can imagine. Nestled in the desirable Springs of North Asheville, this charming neighborhood sits conveniently between downtown Asheville and downtown Weaverville. Head a few miles north to enjoy Lake Louise, or go a few miles south to explore the scenic Beaver Lake, where you can observe birds, turtles, and native plants in a tranquil setting. This prime location places you within easy reach of coffee shops, nature trails, libraries, restaurants, breweries, and all your shopping needs. Schedule your showing today and see everything 57 Walnut Springs Drive has to offer.